Hey everyone, this is Chris over here at Acevacuums here in Fairfax. Today we just want to talk to you guys. We get a lot of calls from customers in the Middleburg, Virginia area and around that surrounding area about do we work on vacuums, where are we located, what type of work do we do, all that type of stuff. The answer to all those questions is yes. We do work on all types of vacuums. Middleburg is a quick drive from 50 up to 15. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to get to our store from Middleburg, Virginia. We have plenty of easy, convenient parking. We are open 7 days a week, and we work on all major brands from Electrolux, Oreck, Dyson, Shark, Bissell, Hoover, Miele, Riccar, all the name brands out there. We do all the service work. A lot of the common issues that we get people bringing them in for is loss of suction or no suction, burning smell, roller not spinning, not turning on. These are all very easy and common fixes, and we can handle them here in the store. We do offer same-day repairs, so if you're looking to get a vacuum back relatively quick and you need it back that same day, just give us a heads up and let us know. The warranty process is a little bit different. We are warranty service center for Bissell, Dyson, Shark, Miele, Riccar, Simplicity, Oreck, all those guys. So if you're in need of a Bissell or a warranty, bring it to us. Make sure you have your receipt of purchase. We'll send everything off to the manufacturer on your behalf to get the warranty work parts done. And then once it's done, we'll give you a call or text and let you know when it's ready for pickup. We are, like I said, here 7 days a week, Monday through Friday from 10 to 6, Saturday 9 to 5, Sunday from 11 to 5. If you need any type of vacuum repair, warranty work, central vacuum system stuff, repairs, anything like that, come by and see us here at Acevacuums, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs. Thanks, guys.